Hi, how are you? It's Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. I am going to tell you about our traveling diamond painting event. It is going to be fun. It is only open to, this is my first time trying to do this, so I'm going to keep it only in the continental United States or an APO address. So I'm going to show you the 3 canvases that we can pick from to start with. You have to let me know through email, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, if you want to participate. I will need your address. I will need, if you have a YouTube channel, I would like your YouTube channel in the email along with your address. And in the comments, let me know which canvas you want me to start with. And we will go with the most popular one. So the first one that I've picked out, I picked 3 out. So this was one that we found in Joanns. It's a floral, and I tried to pick some that weren't very big so that I could find a box for it to ship it, but I can also ship it in this box. All right, here is the toolkit. We all know the toolkit, very basic, baggies, tray, heart wax, and is there a, yep, there's a squishy. Squishy. Let me see. Ooh, 2 heart waxes. Okay, so I find it easier to put these on from the back. Just not today. Let's see. Oh, it actually is. Let's see. Nope, not yet. Anyway, we are not going to put that on today. So here is the toolkit from Diamond Art Club. It's a very basic toolkit. And here is your registration and your little sticker. So that will go there. Let me put that there. Okay. I'm going to show you all of them and the drills. So House of Miscellanea does do a pen pal traveling canvas as well. But theirs is more of a mystery where they take the thumbnail off, and so they send it that way, and you know, you only do so many squares and then you send it back. You send it to the next person. And this is upside down. So this is Gerber Vase. It's by Eve Izzet by Diamond Art Club. So this is a good chance for you, if you have not ever completed a Diamond Art Club, for you to get your feet wet with them. I like Diamond Art Club, and I also like Dreamer Design, although I have not completed any by Dreamer Design. I do have a canvas, but I haven't done it yet. But I'm thinking of starting it in the end of June for July, because it's a patriotic canvas. It gives me the 4th of July vibe. So this is the first one. This is the Gerbera Vase. So you can just put vase, V-A-S-E, in the comments if you want to start with this one. Okay? And here are our drills. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and no fairy dust. No fairy dust, guys. Just ABs. So let me see if I can pull out this cinnamon roll for you. RoseNet39 calls them cinnamon rolls. Yeah, you ain't going to be able to see it that way. Let's try this way. There we go. That is beautiful. Okay. So there is a white AB, a blue AB, an orange AB, and a red AB. There's a pink, looks, no, that's the red one. Green. So, okay, these are the colors. I'm not going to take them out until we know for sure which one we're going to do. And look, I can get them back in here. So this is the first one. Okay. I am going to put release paper on them. So you're going to pick, you're going to just do the first two sections, and then you're going to take it and mail it back to me. And then I will do another square, send it to the next person. And then they will do 2 squares, send it back to me. And the reason why I'm having it continually come back to me is because I want to keep track of it. So that's why. Okay, the next one is another Diamond Art Club. And I'm leaving it out until we're done so we can recap. And this one is a 17-inch by 20-inch, well, canvas. This one has a toolkit, the little picture, it has everything. Okay. Okay, this one got beautiful colors too. And it goes this way. You've seen this one recently. It is the Rainbow Wolf by Kathy Lipscomb. Diamond Art Club. It's a 17 by 17. And this one has 2 ABs and 4 fairy dust. Like I said, we just recently went over this one. So you can go back to that video if you want to see exactly where everything goes before you decide. So here is the colors. Let's do it this way. Beautiful. Very nice colors. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous, guys. So this is Rainbow Wolf. Okay? Rainbow Wolf. And the last one that we have to choose from is a Make Market. A Make Market one. And I thought he's just got the cutest little eyes. And That's why I picked him. His eyes are so cute. He's just a little cutie. Whoop, here is the toolkit for that one. All right. Yep, here we go. And there's the instructions. Is this guy. So if you haven't worked on a make market, you might want to put this cute little puppy in there. And this one is called, what do you think it's called, guys? It's make market. Dog painting. So this one is, I think he's about the same size as that other one. He's a 16 by 20. He is adorable. And of course, I can't tell you what kind of drills he has, so I will have to open it up and see. Let's see if I can find any specials in here. No, they just look like your basic colors, but I may put some ABs or fairy dust to go right in here, scattered around in the dog. And you don't have to, well, if I include them, everybody's going to have to use them. It's all or none, because we can't have some people start with ABs here and then they don't want to use it up here. So you let me know if you want to go all natural, as my son says. Trust the process with this guy. He is, look at his eyes. He's like looking up at you like, can I have a treat, please? I've been really, really good. Can I have it? Can I have a treat? He is so cute. That's what I hear. That's what I see when I see him. I think he's asking for a treat. So this one is the Make Market Dog. So here is dog. You can probably go on Michael's website and put in dog painting if you want to see it completed. They might have it. I don't know. I haven't really searched. So this is, the back is not soft like Diamond Art Club, but it's not the hardest I felt either. So this is dog, and we're going to fold him up, and we're going to put him back in. Okay. All right. Okay. Yep. So number 3 was dog. So if you're interested in dog, put dog. If you want to do Diamond Art Club, you've got 2 to pick from. You know what? I might as well just put him back in the box. And if you want, and if you want a toolkit sent, I can send a toolkit. Not a problem. So here is Wolf. He is so cute. I like Wolf. I like Wolf. Okay, where is... I think that's... Well, it doesn't matter because they're really pretty much the same size. So this one is Wolf with his 67 colors. 67. Wolf has 67. And Vase has 36 colors. Okay, come on out. We don't need that. And Vase, we don't need that either. 36 colors, and this one is Vase. I think this is going to be so much fun, guys. Okay. All right, once again, we have Vase, wolf, or dog. Send me an email giving me your address and put in the comments which one you think we should do. Only the United States and APO addresses, please. This is how we're going to start it, and we'll see how popular it is, and we will go from there. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Do all the things and be kind to everyone.